Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So here we would like to do the experiment from the one of the best girl band in Korea named Blackpink, and we used the part of the video clip named Jump. We will do some creation here. So we would like to, let's say, make the experiment to make the trend video on TikTok, and make sure that you have already managed or adjust the aspect ratio, since we are going to make the video for the TikTok. Then I will choose this ratio 9 and 16 and apply it. And basically this video only needs several effects, and here I am using the effect of the oblique blur, and I have also adjust the blur and rotate. Each of them is 100, and I will duplicate to every single clip here. Kindly wait, guys. Click it, duplicate, and drag to the another clip. Click, duplicate, and drag to another clip. Click, duplicate, and drag to another clip. Click, duplicate, and drag it to another clip. One more. And here in this tutorial I have also muted this video, so if you would like to use your favorite song, you can do it as well. I think it better not to use this effect. Let's see, because editing video also needs your feeling to make sure that this effect can be suitable for this clip. I think I will reduce the duration of each effect here. I will minimize the several effect duration. And if you feel the duration of each clip and the effect is enough, then I will add the animation. I will choose the swing right, or the effect that contains swing movement. Here, and I will reduce the speed to become 0.1, I'm sorry, and apply it. And I will apply this animation and try into another or in every clip. Swing top. Let's give the breath. There is several clips that we will not attach the effect or animation. For this particular clip, I will slide the clip from left to the right like this. As usual, we add the keyframe for each side, and let's say we will do the same thing for this last clip. I will slide from this first and add the keyframe, and after that I will slide this clip until this last second and at the end of keyframe and slide this blank to the left, and let's see the result. That's all guys, you can experiment this trend video tutorial by yourself, and don't forget if this tip and trick also work for you. And if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below. And if you would like to know about another tutorial video in our channel, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.